people with arthrosis of the hip joint, the nature intelligently preserves the joint by leaning into it. And that's why you see a classic gait pattern of a person with hip problem. Now, the problem is that this is not so functional and this is not so elegant. Or there are hundreds of ways how you could move the center of mass of your body closer to the hip joint and therefore reducing the pressure on the joint. Ways to bring the center of mass over, closer to the hip joint and therefore reduce the joint reaction forces. Are there any ways of shifting the chest, shifting the shoulders, shifting even the head? So, in result, there'll be less compressive force. I hope that strikes you interesting, and this is what we are going to cover in our 5 sessions devoted to happy hips. Join in. Each session will be 90-minute long and will include the full Feldenkrais lesson, tips, homework, and practical knowledge of how to help yourself. Click below to register. I hope to see you then.